Do you remember what the internet felt like in 2010? It was messy, it was chaotic, it was human. If you went on a forum or a comment section, you saw arguments, bad grammar, and genuine, raw emotion. You could feel the pulse of another person on the other side of the screen. Now, look at your feed today. Open Facebook or Instagram. What do you see? You see an image of a cabin in the woods that looks perfect. The lighting is impossible. The architecture makes no sense. It's an AI-generated image, and below it, thousands of comments say the exact same thing. Beautiful, amen, God bless. You click on the profiles of those commenters. They have no photos of themselves. They have generic names like John1234 or user_99. They post the same generic content every hour. This is the first symptom of the dead internet. The theory suggests that the organic human chaos of the web has been replaced by a sanitized algorithmic loop. We aren't creating content for each other anymore. We are just scrolling past content created by machines, for machines, to generate ad revenue that no human actually sees. Take a look at Twitter or X. You see a viral video of a cat. You open the replies. The first 50 replies are verified accounts posting completely irrelevant GIFs or saying this is crazy, just to farm engagement. They aren't reacting to the cat. They are scripts running on a server farm in a basement somewhere, pinging off each other to create the illusion of a conversation. It feels like walking through a bustling city, but when you tap someone on the shoulder, they turn around and they have no face. They are just mannequins propped up to make the street look busy. And the scary part, we are starting to mimic the bots. Because the algorithm rewards simple, repetitive behavior, real humans are starting to act like machines. We use the same trending audio clips. We do the same dances. We type LOL when we aren't laughing. We have flattened our personalities to fit into the box that the bots built. But if the internet is empty, where did all the humans go? And more importantly, if you are reading this, are you the only one left? There is a terrifying concept in philosophy called Solipsism. It's the idea that you are the only mind that is sure to exist. Everything else, your neighbors, your friends, the news might just be a projection of your own mind. The dead internet theory is digital solipsism. Think about how much of your reality comes through that black rectangle in your pocket. You learn about wars, elections, and cultural trends through the screen. But if the screen is controlled by an algorithm designed to keep you clicking, how do you know any of it is real? Let's talk about the bot tax. Advertisers pay billions of dollars to show ads on the internet. They think they are showing those ads to humans, but studies estimate that nearly 47% of all internet traffic is automated. That means nearly half the internet is just a ghost town. Imagine a room where a TV is playing a commercial for shampoo. In that room there are 1,000 robots watching the TV. The robots nod and click the like button. The shampoo company sees the data and thinks, wow, people love our shampoo. But nobody bought the shampoo. Nobody washed their hair. It was just a loop of data being moved from one server to another, burning electricity for absolutely no reason. This is why the internet feels so uncanny right now. It feels like a simulation that is glitching. You see videos on TikTok that make no sense, bright colors, loud noises, gibberish subtitles because they aren't made for human enjoyment. They are made to hack the attention span of an iPad kid or to confuse an algorithm into promoting them. We are drifting into a world where reality is optional. If you don't like the news, the algorithm will generate a new reality for you. If you are lonely, an AI girlfriend will talk to you. She will never argue, she will never leave, and she will never be real. You can live your entire life in a digital cocoon surrounded by artificial friends, reading artificial news, fighting with artificial enemies. The dead internet isn't just about bots. It's about the death of connection. The internet was promised as a tool to bring us together. Instead, it has put us all in separate glass boxes, screaming at reflections of ourselves. So, here's the challenge. The next time you are scrolling, stop, look at the screen. Ask yourself, is this bringing me value? Or am I just feeding data to a machine that doesn't care if I live or die? Maybe the internet isn't dead yet. Maybe it's just in a coma, and the only way to wake it up is to log off.